Why did the shiny red hat make everyone sneeze? Once upon a time, a king wore a bright red crown. It was so shiny that it made everyone around him sneeze. People thought it was magic. But one day, a little girl named Lily found out the truth. The crown was made of a special flower that tickled noses. Lily told the king, and he laughed so hard, he sneezed too. They replaced the crown with a feather hat, and everyone was happy. So if you ever see a shiny red hat, be careful. Hit the like button and subscribe.